Bridle rings are the best choice for suspension management of non-data sensitive low-speed cables. When used with Platinum Tools specialty fasteners, they can be mounted almost anywhere. A pinning clip can be used to mount bridle rings to concrete ceilings. Use the long shooter to install them safely from the ground. Use the JH967100 clip to install quarter 20 and 1024 threaded bridle rings. For drop wire installations, use the multifunction batwing clip. A JH96550 press beam clamp can be used on thicker flanges up to ½ inch. The JH966100 clamp allows you to install bridle rings vertically or horizontally due to its multiple threaded impressions. Choose the bridle ring and fastener that is best suited to your application.